Hello everyone, and today I am going to teach you how to optimize your iPhone for productivity. I am using the iPhone 12 Pro Max and you do need iOS 14 to do this. Okay, so here we go to the phone. Okay, so the first thing that I suggest you guys to do is removing any apps that you do not need. To do this, you just have to press the screen. And you see all those wigglies, right? And so what you have to do is, if you click on the minus right here, it will ask you whether you want to delete the app or you just want to remove it from the home screen, okay? If you want to delete it completely, then delete it. If you need to remove it from the home screen, you can just remove it from the home screen, and you can always find it by sliding to the left, and there they are. Okay, all of the ones that you have removed from the home screen will be there. And if you just have to search an app, you just search here and you can search, say, I'm gonna search, right? You can search for anything you want and it will be there, even if it's not on your home screen, because it is still on your phone. All right, now the next thing that I suggest doing for productivity is setting up your home screen just for that. So you're going to organize it so that the apps that you use the most are easily accessible, so that when you pick up your phone and you're gonna do something, say write a note, or you're gonna check your schedule, you can just do it without wasting time looking for that. And this is how you do it. Okay, I have organized my home screen with widgets. Okay, so I have my to-do list for both of my businesses. I have it for Officially-Unofficial and for photography. And then I have my photos, my notes, my reading app, and my camera, right? I have my calendar. And those are the apps that I use the most, that I need to use for in my daily day. These I use multiple times. So this screen is completely optimized for me. Now, when I want to have a little bit like a break or something, right? So I go to the next screen, and in the next screen, I have kind of leisure things and things that I use, the weather, and I have my my calculator, Spotify. I have the socials folder, and I have shortcuts that I use that I'm gonna do a tutorial for you guys, because shortcuts are really awesome. And then I have the time, right? The widgets. Now, if you want to create a widget to make it look pretty like this, what is super simple. What you have to do, and again, you need iOS 14 for this. Okay, so what you do is you're going to press on the screen. Up here, you see the plus sign on the left, upper left. You're going to click there, and then you scroll down, and you are going to choose the widget that you want, right? So if you want a clock widget, if you want a calendar widget, an app widget, whatever it is that you want, you will select it. Me, I want to say let's do a Spotify widget. I haven't done that. Let me see how it looks like, right? So I want a Spotify widget. And I want it to be small, okay? But you can choose a small, you can choose medium. Oh, okay, just two. So you can choose a small and medium for Spotify. Usually you can choose small, medium, or large. All right, so I'm gonna choose a small one, and I'm gonna say add widget. One thing that I don't like is that when you add the widget, it just adds it to the screen you're in. And I forgot to switch it, so it just messed up my screen right now. But anyway, you guys, this is it. So there it is. So it just added the Spotify widget. So I'm done. I click on done, and then I just click play, and there it is. It goes right to my Spotify 80s music. Okay, so that is it for optimizing your home screen, okay? And this is super easy. Let me know in the comments if you like this, if you want to see anything else, or if you have any questions about creating widgets. It's super easy. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. This is Ana Gil with Officially-Unofficial and Ana Gil Photography. I will see you next time. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Bye.